Hey mates, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to PowerMate.
This is the place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues.
Well, hello again, Power Platform and Fabric enthusiasts. Today, I am absolutely thrilled to bring you some groundbreaking update fresh from the Power Platform Conference in Vegas last week. And guess what? The buzz is all about Fabric and Power BI.
So, some of the major announcement in the Power Platform Conference last week was around Fabric, and one of them is about the Fabric roadmap. So, let's switch back to my screen and share a little bit of those insights. We've been waiting for this for some time in the Fabric community, and now we got all the features coming in the next few months. So if we check in the blog article, we can expand this and check on the link on the Fabric roadmap, and we are going to see that there's a lot of investment in different areas. So as you can see here, there's 3 or 4 kind of main 5 buckets. So if you want to check on what is coming on the Power BI side of things, you can check on this link and you can see all the waves and some of the dates on an investment in terms of release plans and in that framework, what is coming and when is coming. The same happens with the synapse layer workloads within Fabric. You can check on data warehouse or data engineer or data scientist. And as you can see, you can also check on some of the release plans on some of the investment areas. What are the features that they're going to be coming to that workload and when the product team is going to release on that features. Same happens with the data factory. So you can check on data factory streams, some of the investment areas. As you can see, one of them could be the cancel refresh for the data flows generation 2, and when should be coming these things is going to be Q4 for 2023. So that allow all of us to check on the features that are going to be coming to Fabric and when they're going to be coming and advise against that, for our clients, colleagues, friends, and everyone in the Fabric community.
That's awesome. And these announcements are game changer, especially for those in the VI and Fabric space. The synergy between business intelligence and Fabric integration is poised to revolutionize how we approach, analytic and application development. So, Gaston, what are those announcements that were your wow moment last week?
Of course, let's talk a little bit of some of them, and let's switch back to my screen. So, first of all, let's start with a new brand and neat addition to the Fabric family. That is the Data Activator. You can enable this new product right away in your Fabric admin portal. You can enable, of course, for the entire organization or only specific for one security group. And as you can see, the Data Activator, it's a brand new product that allow you to create alerts and monitoring different frameworks and different workloads. For example, if you want to monitor in a Power BI report, you can do that with Data Activator. If you want to monitor something that is a threshold coming into one lake or data coming into your lake house, you can monitor different frameworks. And in top of that, after the monitoring, you can set up alerts and detect any kind of conditions and acts beyond of that. So let's say that you're expecting a threshold on landing data into a lakehouse and anything happens with you monitoring that lakehouse, you can act and send an email or sending a Teams message or create alerts in top of that. So it's a really great new addition to the Fabric family that allow you to trigger different actions based on some of the conditions that you put in place. The other topic that I would love to share with our Power Mates community is the Semantic Link. Semantic Link is brand new, just was announced in the Power Platform Conference. This is kind of reaching the BI and the data scientist world. What Semantic Link is doing is allowing all of us to go to our notebooks in Fabric, and from PySpark, from Pandas, you can install the Semantic Link and then start asking questions based on your data sets, your tables, your measures. So you can use this link to evaluate measures, check on evaluation of DAX. You have a lot of commands coming in this package, and you can load this package to make it happen. So you can evaluate queries, evaluate, semantics within this new framework. Last but not least, if you check on this one, everybody from the Power BI family was really excited about these announcements. Dark mode is coming to Power BI. So that's another huge news. And of course, before we ending up this episode, I would love to mention Copilot. Copilot is coming everywhere within Fabric family. From Power BI reports, you can start right away based on your data set, based on your data model, to get insights and create amazing reports just leveraging Copilot, reading your data model and bring up to the speed. And you can start, refining and asking more questions in Copilot to refine your report. But then you can switch to your data engineer mode, and even in notebooks, when you're writing Python scripts, you can leverage Copilot, for example, to document your code. You can leverage Copilot to refine your code and adding additional transformations within your code. So that's another option that you have leveraging Copilot in Fabric.
All right, yeah. Looking forward to see what we can build with Copilot in Fabric, Power BI, and the others. So yeah, that wraps up our exclusive coverage of the Power Platform Conference, focusing on drilling update in the Fabric and Power BI.
Stay tuned for more in-depth insights, tutorial, and exciting news right here on our channel.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
As we always said, together, let's unlock the full potential on Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah.